Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking some more about some practical exercises for Tulpamancy. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorites. Me and Sierra do it all the time. It's an independence exercise. Okay? So basically, this is going to be done in the headspace as well with some visualization. So it'll be super easy. You can do it anywhere. It takes a while to get used to, but I think it's worth it. This definitely helps the Tulpa gain their independence faster, and it makes it to where Tulpa and host can, think separately much quicker than normal, okay? So basically, you're both going to sit down somewhere, usually in meditation, okay? And you're both going to picture a book. It could be any kind of book. Any book you've ever read, or just make a book up. And you're both individually going to think of a separate book. 2 different books. I know this sounds quite complicated, and it is, and it hurts, and it takes a while. But basically, you're going to, at first, just both of you hold this book. You hold yours, your Tulpa holds the other, or vice versa, and just look at the cover to start with. The cover should be different, and just hold it as long as you can. Host, you focus on your book. Tulpa focuses on their book. And just keep practicing until you can both get a clear image of your book separately at the same time. It is very difficult to do. I will not lie to you. But this really helps solidify the mental processes for the Tulpa and allows them to be a little more independent and think more for themselves. So I definitely suggest this as an exercise. And then once you can hold the book in your mind's eye, then you'll both start reading. And each word is going to be different. And it's going to be weird. And it's going to be even harder than just keeping it in your mind's eye. But as you continue to strengthen your independence from each other, it's going to get easier and easier and easier. And, just keep trying to read each page, 1 page at a time. There's no rush. Don't rush yourself. Don't push yourself. It's going to be a long process, but this definitely will help in the development. And even for established Tulpa, I've noticed that most Tulpa don't have as strong of an independence as they would like. Even Sierra doesn't have the level of independence that she would like. So this is definitely something that me and her do quite often, and I thought I'd, throw it to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has been some help to you, and if it has, go ahead and subscribe. Don't lurk in the shadows. That's weird, guys. It's just weird. So go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.